Hello guys, welcome to Web2s. In today's video, I'll be highlighting you quick on how I found my stake wallet, betting game wallet with USDT TRC20 in which I generated using the blockchain Flash software. So let's click on deposit and copy the address, USDT address in which you'll be funding. So click on tone and copy the address. You can see address copied. So let's go to my Trust wallet to generate the Flash coin. So my stake. So you can see the Flash coin I'm having available. If you just need any Flash coin, you can click the link on my bio, my channel bio to contact me. And the software in which I use in generating the Flash coin is also in my bio. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to say generating 100,000. So let me click send. I see it's loading and enter my pin. I see confirm send. Let us wait for the confirmation. You can see transaction processing. So let's see the details. You can see it in pending. So let's refresh, wait for it to load. This is the only channel I post web tools in case you come across any fraudulent channel. So let's go to my stake and wait for the payment we just made to our stake wallet. So with them being said, let's refresh once again and wait. So this is the only channel I post web tools in case you guys come across any channel posting my video. I've saw several people reposting my video, so beware of that place. So let us wait for the maybe it might take some time. It does not reflect yet. Let us wait. It um Yep, you can see the deposit. Wow, you can see the deposits confirm notification. Wow, you can see our balance has been topped up successful. And you can use this to play any game you wish. You can use it to play a casino or any sporting game. You can see live on screen the amount we just generated. And I got this Flash coin using blockchain Flash software. So this is my channel in which I post every time, in which you guys know web tools, and this is the amount and everything we just do it live on screen. Thank you for watching to the end.